everyone, welcome to Sound Light, Sound Healing Activation. Join me now or save this for later at this time of year, just after the winter solstice in the Northern Hemisphere and the summer solstice in the Southern Hemisphere. For those of us in Europe, it can be quite dark, the energies are intense. So let's really activate our light and our love. This is the last one I'm going to do this year, and the next one will be on January the 8th in 2025. So I invite you to take some gentle and deep breaths, letting the out breath become a little longer, letting out a sigh if you need to, and really feeling yourself land or presence more fully in your body. And today, my focus for this sound light healing activation is worthiness and also loneliness. We live in a world that is not easy, and for many people that sense of really knowing and feeling worthy can be lost or damaged or wounded when our cultures are so influenced by money, success, glamour, celebrity, and when we have to pay to live for even the most simple things, when we now know that free energy is coming and has been kept from us for a very long time. And that may be common knowledge to some of you and not to others. Anyway, worthiness is really allowing ourselves to come into our deepest loving presence and knowing that we are worthy, and letting go of comparisons, judgment, any pain, any suffering, any shame, and really activating that deepest love and knowing of self-cherishing, of feeling worthy, cherished, loved. The Bush San say that we are each connected to a star. I imagine that some of us are connected to the same star, but we have our light shining from within. We are born into beauty and love. And linked to that subject of worthiness is the feeling of loneliness. Now, being alone and being in solitude can be beautiful and is really important for us to feel our own connection to source and to love. But particularly at this time of year, people can feel alone, abandoned and lonely. And also there can be a level of judgment to people who feel lonely, whereas actually it is our nature to connect, to be with others in joy, in conviviality and love and sharing. And when that's been broken, as it has in many situations for many people, for many different reasons, where there's trauma or war, tragedy or poverty, anything and everything, and where people find themselves feeling alone and lonely, let's just activate and send our love and our love and our light to ourselves and to each other, knowing that you are connected, cared for, cherished and worthy. Who are you to not be worthy? Who are you not to be a child, a being of God, of infinite possibility, love and light? So I'm reminding you of that, however it is for you this Christmas, whether you celebrate or not, whether you are with others, whether you're in another culture where it doesn't really come up. Just sending you so much love. And now I begin to play the sounds. So come into a comfortable sitting position or lying if you prefer. Imagine yourself bathed in golden healing light. And with the in-breath, have a sense of breathing in this light, this love, into every cell in your body. And with the out-breath, releasing anything you no longer need to hold. Releasing any pain, suffering, worry, fear, anger, hurt. Just allowing that to be washed away as you activate deep, deep love, light. And today I dedicate this session to 4 people, to Brigitte, to Shanti Mai, to Lizzie, and to Ian. Really shining this healing love and light out to you. And of course to all of us and to our world and to all humanity and all life. So wishing you a blessed, blessed Christ Mass time and blessed coming into the new year in these big times of awakening, change and great, great love being activated. Thank you very much, everyone. Wishing you beautiful end to this year and beautiful new year. Remember, releasing judgment, comparison, remembering you are worthy, you are beautiful, and celebrating life. And yeah, wishing you much, much love, joy, blessings, and see you on the 8th.